Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a peculiar sea otter named MetalBeard. Unlike other sea otters, MetalBeard had a metallic hide, shimmering under the sun and moon. One day, MetalBeard noticed something strange. His metallic hide was fading, losing its shine. He felt worried, for he loved the way he sparkled in the water. He asked his friends, "Why is my metallic hide losing its shine?" His friends suggested, "Perhaps you've lost your shine because you've forgotten to appreciate it." MetalBeard thought about what his friends said and decided to embark on a journey to rediscover his shine. He met many wonderful creatures along the way, each teaching him something new. First, he met a wise old turtle who taught him about patience. MetalBeard learned that good things come to those who wait. Next, he met a playful dolphin who showed him the importance of fun and laughter. MetalBeard learned that life should be enjoyed, not just endured. Finally, he met a kind whale who told him about the power of gratitude. MetalBeard learned that appreciating what you have is the key to maintaining its beauty. With newfound wisdom, MetalBeard returned home. As he looked at his metallic hide, he felt a warm glow spreading across his body. His friends gathered around, amazed by the brilliance of his shine. MetalBeard smiled. "I've learned that my shine comes from within, and it's my appreciation for who I am that makes me truly beautiful." From that day forward, MetalBeard sparkled brighter than ever, reminding everyone he met to appreciate themselves just as they are.